Hi everyone, welcome to Vasol Tarot prediction. From the last two remedies which I did last time, I've got so much of appreciation, guys. Thank you so much. And actually, there were people who actually used my remedies and shared the screenshot or the photo of their remedy to me, and I feel blessed that I can help you out in some way or the other. And the best part, guys, was that they started seeing the result from the second day onwards with my negativity and cleansing your house remedy. So from the second day onwards, a lot of fights and arguments were very less, and a lot of they were receiving a lot of positivity from the day they did the remedy. So I feel blessed, and thank you so much, guys. If you want to book one-on-one session with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. And if you want to help us with the donation, the details are given in the description box below. And the third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to enroll for a 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. So today's remedy, I'm going to uh, uh, tell you about how to make a money oil, okay, and how to use a money oil. One important thing, I'm doing this remedy because I'm receiving a lot of emails saying that people are going through a lot of financial problems and they need some sort of remedy for the same, okay, and a homemade, because they cannot afford my readings and remedies. That's why I'm showing them which the things, the remedies which they can do at home with the home ingredients. So whatever ingredients I'm using it, this are homemade ingredients which you can easily get on in home, okay, in your houses. Okay, so yes, so what we need, we need anise. You can google it, how is it, it is anise, okay. What the second ingredient you need is cloves, right. The third ingredient you need is bay leaves. It is very useful for the the people who are going through some major money blockages. This is very good for them, okay. You need some olive oil, okay, olive oil. If you don't have any olive oil, you can use coconut oil, or you can use any sort of oil, some sort of oil which which you use for cooking purpose or something like that. You can use a cooking oil, okay, but make sure that that cooking oil should be fresh, okay. You don't use the already used oil, okay. So yeah, you need to have basils, which is also known as tulsi in India, okay. So this are tulsi you need very fresh, okay, but since right now I took out it in the morning, so that's why it's like that. But you need to use fresh basils or basils powder, okay. Yes, you need a cinnamon powder or cinnamon stick, any one will be okay, okay. You can use either basil full leaves, or else basil powder, okay. You can also use cinnamon powder or cinnamon stick, anyone is okay. You need to have a grounded sugar, okay, like the white sugar which we use. So you need to have the sugar, grounded sugar, okay, the powder of it, okay. So let's check it out. Let's make a money oil, and how to use it I'm going to tell you further, okay. So let's put some cinnamon. Why I'm using cinnamon? Cinnamon is good for money, okay. This is good, this helps us in creating abundance, a lot of money. Already I have shown you a lot of abundance money remedies before also, so in that also we used. So cinnamon powder is really good. You can also put a cinnamon stick as well, okay. You need to put this anise. Either you can crush it or make a powder, or else you can make it full, okay. So yeah, put it like this, it will look like this, okay. Yeah, okay. I'm going to do this here because you won't be able to see, okay. Now you need to have some cloves. Cloves are good for money blockages, people who are going through some karmic cycles and problems. This is good for making, uh, to remove the karmic blockages. So this is, can put more of it. I'm just putting less because I don't use it usually. So that's why I know I don't need it. That's why I don't use it. Okay. So yeah. Next, we need bay leaves. Okay. So you can put whole patta like this, or else you can crush it. Okay, so yeah, so full patta you can use it. Okay. Guys, sorry for the disturbance. So you need to have full, either full or crushed powder of the bay leaf. Okay, you can crush it and you can use it. I am putting it as a whole. Okay, so yes, and actually you need a big container, but I am using it less because so that I'm just here to just show you. Okay, so yeah, you can put it like this. You need to have few basil leaves whole as a whole, or else the powder you can use it here. Basils are used for abundance, creating money, creating wealth, okay, into your life. So you can use either the powder of this basils, or else you can put the leaves into it. Use fresh leaves. Okay, so yes, and you need some sweetness into your oil. And why the sweetness is needed, guys? Because it will you don't want money to go, you want money to come towards you. Okay, and abundance should increase, wealth should increase. Okay, so you will put few sugar. Okay, sugar or honey. Honey is slow. If you want faster money fast, then you can use sugar powder. If you want money should be slow, then you can use honey, but I would suggest you to use this sugar powder. Okay, so yes, I'm just making it for you guys. Okay, I'm not going to use it right now, but I'm just showing it so that how to use it, it will be helpful for you. Okay, so yeah, and then I'm going to put some olive oil into this. Okay, wow, awesome. So yeah, okay, so yeah, beautiful. I'm going to put few more drops of olive oil so that it get dissolved easily. Okay, so yes, guys, sorry for the background sound. Okay, my mom keeps on talking. Okay, so what you need to do is that now you need to put your hands over here, and you need to imagine that money is coming towards you, money is flowing towards you, abundance is coming towards you. You need to meditate, you need to chant how you want to receive money through your business, through your career, through your job, how you want to receive your money. Everywhere you should receive money from 360-degree angle, from all the areas of your life. Okay, so you need to chant that money is flowing towards me. I am feeling abundant, I am feeling good, I am feeling full, I am happy, I am blessed, I am grateful, money is coming to me, towards me. I am feeling that I am abundant. I am receiving money 3 times double my income. Whatever I pay, it comes back to me in double times. So yeah, a lot of abundance is coming into my life. Okay, so you have made this oil. Okay, you need to shake it up. Okay, guys, you need to do it into your bottle. Okay, since I don't have any bottle available right now and I wanted to show it, so that's why I did it into this utensil. But you can do it in bottle and keep it for you, with you. Okay, because in future remedies also this money oil will play an important role. So yeah, you need to shake it up and it will look something like this, like so yeah, oil is done, oil has been made. it will get dissolved. Okay, you have to keep this for 24 hours, but you have to, what you need to do is that you need to take a bottle like this. You need to keep this oil into that particular bottle. It can be large also, it can be small also, it can be medium also. You can make a big amount of money oil. It was just here to show you. Okay, so you can put the money oil and into that bottle. Okay, and what you need to do after that, see, this is the money oil which you will get. Okay, so yeah, so after that, after this money oil, what you need to do, you can keep it for 24 hours in a bottle. Okay, into this sort of a bottle. You can, you know, put it in a jar, glass jar. Okay, and keep it for 24 hours. Okay, then now how you can use this money oil. Okay, whenever you pay money to anyone, you can put that oil into that particular money. Okay, into that particular note, into that particular bill. Okay, and you can put that money oil and then you can pay it. You can anoint your candle with this money oil. You can also put it into your, you know, in your wallet. Okay, you can, like, you just take a bit of it, put it outside the wallet, do like this. Okay, so yes, fourth thing is that you can put this money oil, you know, behind your doors or in the entrance of your door. So whenever whosoever comes into your home, money they should bring money in your life. Okay, and also one more thing, whenever you take bath, okay, so you can put 21 drops of this money oil into your bathing water, like in a bucket. Take a you know, water, put 21 drops into the bucket and then take the bath, so that if you have any financial blockages, problems, money is coming not coming towards you, so it will help you to remove the blockages and money will start getting attracted towards you. You will start receiving money, you will start attracting money for yourself. Okay, and so this you know, you can use this money oil in various parts of your life. You can put it in the purse also, even if when you are doing some sort of, you know, paying any sort of bill, you can put that money oil into that and money will be received in double. Okay, or in your wallet you can put a few drops. Okay, make sure that you know, it doesn't get you know, worse, so just few drops, 1 or 2 drops. Okay, so yeah, that's it. In this way you can use this money oil. This helps us to remove the financial blockages and creates abundance and wealth into your life, which is very important for everyone out there. Okay, so this money oil is really important, guys, very 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 important in everyone's life. Okay, this money oil, you can keep it into the the place where, you know, you want money to be received. Okay, or anything, few drops you can keep it over there where you need money to be received. So yes, money to be received. Okay, so yeah, this is a very beautiful remedy and a lot of people were asking me how to make a money oil at home with less or no ingredients, which will cost a lot of, you know, which will cost you a lot on Amazon and on Flipkart. It's actually pretty expensive. Okay, and not easily we can get it. So that's why I, you know, made a money oil, customized money oil for you guys. All the herbs which I have been using into this, I have used into this ingredient are, like, you know, homemade ingredients. So yes, it will be beneficial for you guys. Okay, so but make sure that once you make it into a bottle like this. Okay, don't make it into this kind of a jar which I am using. Okay, this was just to show you guys. Okay, otherwise you won't be able to, you know, see it properly. That's why I did it into this utensil. Make your money oil into this kind of glass jar. Okay, it can be big also, it can be small also. Okay, so yeah, So this is the money oil remedy. I hope you like this remedy. I hope this will be beneficial to you. Comment down below how many of you have used it, or kindly share the screenshots with me. I would love to see how many people are using my remedies, okay, and how fast are the results, okay. So this are the financial this is to remove the financial blockages from your life, okay. So this is really helps everyone out there, okay. So guys, bye bye, take care. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Bye bye, take care.